So you want to make glossy stickers such as these, but every time you try, your machine ends up sounding like this. The hack I'm going to show you today is for people who've already tried the scotch tape method and had no success with it. So you're going to need some glossy sticker sheets. I get mine from onlinelabels.com, but there's some available on Amazon that I will link down below if you are interested, but any sticker paper will do. These are just the settings that I use for my own stickers. So this is just what they look like fresh out of the printer. Because I use gloss over it, the gloss optimizer, I like to set it out on top of the printer so it can dry. That way I'm not touching the ink. Okay, so for this hack, you're going to need the light grip blue Cricut sheet. This has a less sticky surface, which is ideal for paper items such as stickers that we're making today. And then you're going to need your sticker sheet that's already printed out as well. And this is where the hack comes in. So you're going to need a dark highlighter. I believe any highlighter works, but I would recommend getting a darker one. And what we're going to do is we're literally just going to draw over the sensor lines. And it doesn't even have to be perfect. You would just want to make sure you get the highlighter on each sensor line. Okay, so now I would just let it dry out a little bit just so you don't get any smudges coming from the highlighter. And then we're just going to go ahead and place it on top of our mat. Now before I start cutting the stickers, I do need to change out the blade because mine is pretty old. It's about the same age as my Cricut, which I got about 7 years ago, so it's very blunt. So I'm just going to be changing it real quick. Okay, so for the settings, you're going to want to go to Browse All Materials, and you're going to want to look up sticker paper. And then I would suggest using the white printable paper. And then for pressure, I would select More. And later on in the video, I'll show you why. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and take off these stickers, and I'm going to show you how to do it so you don't ruin the stickers because this is a brand new sticky sheet. So you're just going to place it upside down on the table until you see the stickers popping off, and then you're just going to gently tug on the sticker sheet, and at the same time as you are tugging the sticker sheet off the mat, you are also pulling the mat away from the sticker sheet. Now the key is to do this as slowly as possible so as not to damage the stickers. And slowly just peel the stickers off of the sticky sheet. Okay, so now that you have them all off the sheet, you will notice they're slightly bent. So what you would want to do is use some very heavy books and leave them there for a few hours. Now I'm going to show you why I would suggest to put more pressure on the blade, because sometimes depending on how thick your sticker paper is, sometimes you'll get like this extra bit. But even if that does happen, you can always trim it off carefully with some scissors. So this is just my second batch of stickers where I used the more pressure when it came to the blade, and as you can see, there's a lot less of them that have that extra bit.